How to make your PhD scholarship SOP stand out by Amar Razai. 1. Start with a strong research question. Begin your essay by introducing a compelling research question. Make sure it's specific, innovative, and aligned with the current trends in your field. This sets the tone and shows your intellectual curiosity. 2. Demonstrate a deep understanding of your field. Showcase your knowledge by discussing recent advancements and key literature in your area of study. Cite relevant papers and highlight how your research will build on or challenge existing work. 3. Outline a clear research plan. Detail your research methodology. Explain how you will gather data, the techniques you will use, and why they are appropriate for your study. This demonstrates your preparedness and critical thinking skills. So let's talk about how to highlight the impact of your research. Discuss the potential implications of your research. How will it contribute to your field? And how might it benefit society or address a significant problem? This really shows the broader relevance of your work. Connect with potential supervisors' work. Mention specific professors at the institution whose work aligns with your research interests. Explain how their expertise will support your project and how you can contribute to their ongoing research. Personalize your narrative. While keeping a professional tone, add a personal touch. Share your passion for the subject, any relevant experiences, and what drives you. This helps the reader connect with your story. Proofread and seek feedback. Revise your essay multiple times. Get feedback from mentors, peers, or professionals. Ensure it's well-structured, free of errors, and that your arguments flow logically. Follow Amar Raza for more scholarship and research tips.